Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix a public profile option not showing on Snapchat. So guys, if you are using Snapchat and want to see the option of public profile and not be able to show the public profile, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your Snapchat app, and guys, after this you need to click on your main profile, and guys, after clicking on it you need to scroll it down, and here you can see the option of create public profile. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys, click on continue, get started, and guys, click on create, and after this you need to wait, and guys, you can see there my public profile. So guys, here you can see now public profile is available. So guys, if not showing this option still, then guys, you need to go back and update your Snapchat. Because of update, many features are not working or not showing in that app. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your Play Store, and guys, here you need to search Snapchat, and guys, after this you need to update your app. So guys, here you can see the option of update. So guys, simply you need to update from here, and after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then guys, you need to delete your app, uninstall your app from your phone. So guys, click and hold on this and click on uninstall, and guys, click on OK, and guys, after uninstalling you need to reinstall again from your Play Store, and after doing this you need to log in again your account in Snapchat. So guys, after logging in again your Snapchat account, then you will be able to see the option of public profile in Snapchat. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.